Welcome guys, today we're going to be talking about input shaping, and input shaping is when you run this test to see what vibrations your printer makes and if you can counteract it with your 3D printer for the acceleration you want to do so you can go faster and the prints look better. But today we're going to be talking about how to do that, and let's get started. Alright, now I myself have the Fly 80XL. It's a USB type 80XL chip, and you attach, for me, I'm doing it on my Ender 5 Plus. So it's going to be just attached to the tool head with a special little mount that I found on Printables, which I'm going to tag the creator or the file down in the description so you guys can go print that out too. But let's see the input shaping config. So this is just mine, and it has the type of thing that's in it. So it shows the MCU of it, and then it shows the pins it uses, then it does the testing. This is just something that I was looking into, but I can't figure out how to do that exactly right now. But that's exactly how mine is. I'll put the documentation down in the description so other people like you guys can do this. And for that file, you have to go into your printer config and add it to, so your printer can actually identify it. Okay. So that's one of the parts of it. Now you're going to have to run so there's going to be the test for the X and the Y, which for mine, I just have to use 180XL for that one. But if you're using like a Core XY, you're going to need two, or if you want to just do it one at a time, you can. But for my other Ender, I use a EBB36, which has a little accelerometer on it, and then I just use the other accelerometer for the bed of it, so then I can do the X and Y. But this one is a little easier just because you don't have to take it off and like do it off again and have multiple different things. You just a couple lines of in the config. But let me go look at the firmware. Alright, what do I have to do next? Alright, here's the one piece of code. And I put it in here. And I'll show you guys that when I switch over. Side to side for the x-axis. And the 80XL is this thing right here, which is glowing. And it's just mounted to the tool head itself. Now I'm running the Y one. And all it does is vibrate the tool head or whatever axis you're doing to see what vibrations your printer can actually print at, or try to counteract it. Back on the computer now, and after doing that test, or the test, you get a little thing that says temp blah blah blah, and really, if you run a specific thing, so if I go back to here, and I run this command, So now this is my X one doing it. So now if I go down to, and then it does that for the Y now. Alright, now I go into, temp, and now it shows me my resident tests, which this is the X one, and this just shows me at what point the X vibrations were going at, and it tells me recommendations for it. And during the thing, it tells me like the recommendation for these sharpener or shaper, which is MZV at 36 hertz. And then it shows me it for the X and Y, and the other one of this, which is this one. So then you see this and it shows you the graphs. And it shows it right here, which is, it isn't the greatest, but you can make it better if you adjust a little bit of things, tighten up a couple things, just so that it does it better, so you can print faster and get better quality out of your printer. And that is the main thing why you want to do input shaping, just because then your printer can actually do the things for input shaping. But that all is what generally input shaping is, and it affects your prints by making them look better and not have ghosting in it. And if you set this up properly, you'll be fine. But if it goes recommendation shaper is not like MZV, then the printer can't do it, like can't counteract as much. But if it's higher, like ZV, your printer can do it, which it can do it too, but at faster speeds. Then it goes always down, which some of these your printer cannot counteract it. But if your printer can counteract it, then you're going to be good. It's just if you get the lower levels, then your printer can't really counteract all the vibrations in it, because your printer can do not that much. But if you get it all right, then be for you. This is the end of the video. Hope you guys liked the video. Please like and subscribe if you guys want to see more videos like this, and see me upgrade this printer into a Mercury 1.1. But everything that you guys are going to need is going to be down below.